Health Info Talk provides health and medical information that is quality assured, reliable, up-to-date and easy to understand.
Metabolism is the rate at which your body burns calories. Making smart choices about what you eat and drink can help boost your metabolism even while you sleep. Sipping a glass of this juice before bedtime can trigger fat burn, especially around your belly, while you sleep. The ingredients that combine together to dissolve stubborn fat. Cucumbers are hydrating and great at working on those tricky fat reserves. You cannot keep them out of any weight loss drinks. Parsley and cilantro are low in calories, and loaded with antioxidants, vitamins and minerals. They are super effective at easing water retention, and soothing an inflated tummy. Ginger is a super spice that fires up your metabolism and supports a healthy digestive system. Lemon juice is an effective toxin buster that flushes out excess fat and impurities from the system. Aloe vera juice is full of antioxidants that delay the development of free radicals that cause inflammation and bloating. Ingredients required: 1 lemon, 1 cucumber, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera juice, a bunch of either cilantro or parsley, half glass of water. Simply add the ingredients together, blend them and drink a glass of the juice before bedtime. Whether your body is turning food into fuel or working away at your fat reserves, it needs water to efficiently burn calories. If you are not fully hydrated, your metabolism will slow down and you won't be burning calories as efficiently as you can. So drink up and give your metabolism a little boost.
Thank you for watching Health Info Talk. Please subscribe to our channel for regular updates and news. And do like our FB page. www